How to start crypto staking on Binance quick and easy 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back yet another crypto related tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be seeing how we can stake crypto on Binance. And Binance is an amazing pro exchange website, and if you're not familiar with it, I'm going to take you through all of it. It's going to be very simple and very easy. I'm going to also show you how you can do different types of tradings, how you can buy crypto, deposit crypto, sell it. And the main topic is obviously staking. And I'm going to show you what staking really is. And I'm going to go through all of those details and informations. And I just want you to watch this video thoroughly and go through all of the steps, listen to me carefully. And by the end of this video, you will be properly guided and you will know how to stake cryptocurrencies on Binance. Now, let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to learn what staking crypto really is. Now, staking is basically it's the process of locking up crypto holdings in order to obtain rewards or earn interest. So basically, we put a certain amount of crypto up for staking, and what that does is it takes a few of those cryptos and it puts it in the blockchain. And that certain amount of crypto that's locked into the blockchain, we earn different types of rewards and earn interest from that. And that is really good if you're like a proper time trader and you just want to make some money off of some very stable coin cryptos. Now, obviously, not all cryptocurrencies are up for staking because there are, I think, around 100 or 10 something stake coins. Like Bitcoin is not a stake coin, so there are a few. I'm going to discuss those and we're going to get right into it. So now that you understand what staking is, we're just going to go to Binance. Now, if you haven't used Binance, I'm going to take you through all of it, but I recommend that you start using it because Binance is one of the best pro exchange websites out there regarding crypto because it just has everything and it's just so easy to use. Plus, it's like in terms of rating, there are a lot of exchange websites like KuCoin, Mexi, Crypto.com. But Binance always comes out on top because Binance just has a very friendly interface. As you can see, once you open it, you can see all of these great things. You can see the popular cryptocurrencies going right now, like the Binance coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Galaxy, Green Metaverse token. You can see all of that. You can see their 24-hour change in interest. You can see their market caps, etc. And then you can see all these great features that they have on their website, trade on the go and stuff like that. So, first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to set your account up. Now, to set your account up, you're obviously going to go and register. And to register, what you're going to need to do is in Binance, the only thing is that to register, you need to put in your account, your bank account, and your credit debit card, because without that, Binance does not verify your account properly and you can't fully set it up and do trades. So you're going to need to put in your bank account or your credit debit card, depending on whatever you use more. Now, credit debit card is much more faster and efficient, but I recommend a bank account or wire transfers because it just takes less fees. Credit and debit card just take way more fees and they cut a lot out of your fiat currency, and I just don't like that. So yeah, I'd use bank transfers. Now, in bank transfers, I have to tell you that for verifying your bank or your wire transfer, you're just going to need to make a wire transfer of around $1 or $2 to Binance, because by that, Binance verifies that it's actually you and it's your bank account and not something else. So yeah, once you've done all that, what you're going to need to do is we're going to come over here, and this is the ribbon that we're going to use. And obviously from here on out, I'm going to explain to you how you can start your staking. Now, obviously, for staking, what we're going to need to do is, first of all, we're going to need to earn our different types of cryptos. So, obviously, if we want to start our staking, we're going to need to earn a few bit of cryptos. Now, I'm going to show you how you can earn or trade different types of cryptos if you want to. Now, if you want to buy crypto, you're going to come here and buy crypto, and obviously you're going to set in your fiat currency if it's in euros, dollars, whatever. And once you do that, you can either use, as I said, bank deposit or credit debit card. You can use your cash balance for P2P trading if you want to. Most people use bank deposit or credit debit card. And once you do that, you're going to click on it, and once you come over here, you're going to see this whole interface where you're going to select your currency. And after you've done that, what you're going to do is it's going to give you an option to what crypto you want to buy. You're going to put in your crypto. Now, obviously, for staking, I recommend that you use a more stable coin currency like USDT. And once you do that, you're just going to buy your coins. And once you've bought them, yeah, then you're easy to go. And that's for buying. But if you want to trade or convert it to any other currency, you can use Binance Convert. Binance Convert converts your one type of currency to other. So that is also a great feature that Binance provides you with. And then you can just go on spot markets or any type of other markets where you can just start trading if you want to, and then get crypto from there. Now, from there on out, what we're going to do is we're going to get into staking. Now, for staking, we're going to go here on Earn, and we're going to click on DeFi staking. So let's get right into it. Now, once we come here, obviously, we don't want to start DeFi staking because DeFi is a totally different concept. It just uses wrapped coins, and we don't want to get into that right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on locked staking. Now, what locked staking does is basically it has locked amounts of values that we can start staking to. Now, basically, these coins are staking coins, and staking coins are coins, as I told you. Only these coins are the ones that can be put up for staking on the blockchain, like other coins like Bitcoin and stuff like that. Those aren't up for grabs on the blockchain for staking. So, yeah, you can just check these coins out. You can see the interest that's going, the APR they're getting. And you can also change the duration in days. For example, if you go on flexible, it's 5%. If you go on 30, it's 6.1. 60, it's higher. And then 120, it's even more higher. Now, obviously, you're going to want to check the days that are available because not all days will be. For example, if I do 120, it says subscribe right now, but sometimes I wouldn't say that. Sometimes I'll go on 90 and it will say that for them. So obviously, you're going to choose your coin. You're going to choose your duration. And then you're just going to go and click on subscribe. Once you do that, obviously I'm not logged in right now, but if you're logged in, what's going to happen? It's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask for the amount that you want to stake for this coin. And once you put up the amount, it's going to ask for your details, your verification, your fiat balance. And once all of that is done, it's going to take that amount and it's going to put it up in the blockchain. And you're just going to make interest and APR off of that depending on how the trades go. And then what's going to happen is then you're just going to start making rewards. And that's how easy staking is. So yeah, that's how basically simple it was. So if you have any issues, that's basically how easy it was. So if you have any issues regarding this, please let me know down in the comments. I'll get back to you ASAP. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do let me know. I'll make more tutorials related to this. And please like the channel and subscribe because it helps me out a lot. Share this video with anyone in need. And leave a nice comment if you like the video. And yeah, till then, I hope you all do great and have a great day. That's all from me. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.